In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website for free using Pantheon WordPress hosting, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want a professional WordPress website without paying for hosting up front. By the end of this video, you'll have a live WordPress site running on Pantheon's free plan. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The very first step is deciding what your website is going to be about. This could be a business website, a personal blog, a portfolio, or even a test site while you're learning WordPress. Having a clear idea of your site name will make the setup process much easier later on, especially when Pantheon asks you to name your website and generates your free URL. Next, open your browser and go to pantheon.io. This is where we'll create our free WordPress hosting account. Once the Pantheon homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click the yellow button that says Start Free. Pantheon will now ask you to create an account. For the fastest setup, click Sign Up with Google, or you can enter your email address manually if you prefer. Follow the on-screen steps until your free account is created and you're logged into the Pantheon dashboard. Now that you're inside your Pantheon dashboard, it's time to create your WordPress site. Look for the button that says Create New Site and click it. Pantheon will ask you to choose a CMS, so click on the WordPress icon. Next, you'll need to name your site. This can be something simple like My Bus Rental or My First Website. Pantheon will automatically generate a free development URL for you using this name. After that, choose your region. The United States is the default option and works perfectly for most people, so you can leave it as is. Click Continue and wait about 2 minutes while Pantheon deploys WordPress for you. Once the deployment finishes, you'll see a button that says Visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Click that button to continue. You're now inside your site's control panel. Near the top left, you'll see 2 large buttons, Visit Development Site and Site Admin. Click Visit Development Site. If WordPress hasn't been installed yet, this will take you directly to the WordPress setup screen. On the WordPress setup page, choose your language, such as English United States, and click Continue. You'll now see the final setup form. Enter your site title, choose a username you'll remember, and copy the automatically generated password so you don't lose it. Enter your email address, then scroll down and click Install WordPress. After a few seconds, WordPress will finish installing, and your website will be ready. At this point, your Pantheon WordPress dashboard is fully created. You can now log into the WordPress admin area, install themes, add plugins, and start building your website exactly the way you want. You've successfully created a website for free using Pantheon WordPress hosting. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.